And the what? No point doing the ACL if the other bits are, like, if, you know, if that's going to cause problems later on.
Yeah.
So
Going in there once.
or whatever, just make sure you take a moment. Yeah. Just sit on the side of the bed and what.
Been all on camera though. Found us and all that.
Alex, hands up!